Today we are talking about the best saving accounts in the UAE. With just 3000 dirhams in your account, you enjoy full banking facilities, debit card, mobile banking, bill payments, and yes, international transfers made simple. If you are only keeping the minimum balance, the interest in these saving accounts is not very high. Still, these accounts are great because they unlock the advantages of conventional banking. They are especially useful for non-salaried people, freelancers, students, or anyone who wants easy access to digital banking. First up, CBI Saver Account from Commercial Bank International. With an interest rate of 0.50% on balance below 300,000 dirhams. You only need to maintain 3,000 dirhams. It comes with a free international debit card. You can withdraw money anytime and interest is paid monthly. Joint accounts and even accounts for children are possible. The account is in dirhams only. If your balance falls below 3,000 dirhams, there's usually a small fee. Overall, it's a flexible and beginner friendly. Second option is FAB Personal Saving Accounts with an interest rate of 0.02%. Required minimum balance is 3,000 dirhams. It is available in dirhams or other currencies. You get a free MasterCard debit card. Daily ATM withdrawal is up to 15,000 dirhams and shopping limit is up to 20,000 dirhams. If you upgrade to Platinum Debit, the limits are even higher. Extra perks include complimentary airport lounge access up to 4 times a year, and you can open the account instantly through the Fab mobile app with your Emirates ID. Fab Bank Saving Account is a good choice if you want both savings and lifestyle benefits. If you're still watching this video and you found it interesting, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I appreciate your effort. At number 3, Standard Chartered Extra Saver Account. With an interest rate of 0.05%, you need only 3,000 dirhams to start. Profit rate can go up to 2% per year on accounts with dirham balance. It comes with a contactless debit card that works worldwide, but here's the condition. You can only take 3 debit transactions per month. If you exceed that, you don't get profit for that month. The bank also offers a Sadiq Extra Saver, which is the Sharia compliant version with the same features but based on profit instead of interest. This account is best for people who don't withdraw often and want to earn little extra on savings. At number 4, RAK Bank Savings Account with an interest rate of 0.25%. Interest is calculated on daily basis, but it is paid out in June and December. The minimum balance requirement is around 3,000 dirhams. Interestingly, there is no minimum balance requirement for the first 3 months. You get a free debit card. You can choose dirhams or even other currencies like USD, GBP, or Euro. Overall, it's a simple saving account that gives you all the standard banking facilities you need along with a little extra profit. These accounts may not make you rich, but they open the doors to everyday banking for non-salaried individuals, freelancers, and students. Choose the one that matches your lifestyle best. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which account do you think fits your needs best? See you in the next video. Take care.